I need pep for my cameraman.
All right. And a pep.
Hello, welcome to Go Beyond Betty. Today we're going to make a super fast, easy weekday night, but we actually also call it our Airbnb meal. So you know, if you go to Airbnb, you have a kitchen, you probably want to have dinner there because you've had lunch out. But what can you make? Because you don't have oil, you don't have a spice cabinet, you don't have any staples on hand. So this is our favorite Airbnb meal, but also translates to a great weeknight dinner. All you're going to need is this chicken shawarma. They're chicken thighs already pre-marinated. All this is from Trader Joe's as well. So these, some kind of flatbread, but you could also use something like a naan, any kind of flatbread that you enjoy. Doesn't matter what kind. And the last thing is just some creamy tzatziki. They have one or two kinds there at Trader Joe's. That's it. So a bread, the meat, and the sauce. Extra stuff would be a little bit of produce. You could probably buy a bag of lettuce, you know, like mixed green or spring mix. Throw that on there so you don't even have to chop. Or if you're home and you have stuff to chop, a little bit of romaine, some cucumber, and this is great to just have on the side to snack on, and some fresh tomatoes. Maybe a little lemon, but that's it. Maybe some chips on the side. Do we have chips?
Yeah.
Good. So that's it. Easy dinner. So Tom is going to grill this up. What are you going to do with the meat, Tommy?
I'm going to grill it. I'm going to grill it on a charcoal, like a medium heat.
What would you do on gas?
Yeah, probably medium as well. You don't want it too hot.
In the meantime, my bread was in the freezer, so it's just going to hang out, and I'm going to chop up some of the produce.
Tell everyone, halal.
That's funny, babe. You're good with that shit.
Thanks.
Okay, so the chicken is done. I've kind of chopped up just a couple things. Took me about 2 minutes. And what's great about this meal is, honestly, everyone loves it. Anyone that's ever had it with us, they all love it, and they all go to Trader Joe's to buy this. But what's nice is you can make it your own. So these little flatbreads, they kind of divide in half. I'm gonna smear mine with the tzatziki, put a little chicken and stuff on it. Some people, if they're gluten-free, they might just have the salad with the meat and all the fun vegetables. Kids might not want the meat at all. They might, who knows? Everyone gets to win. Everyone can have it their way, which is great with this one. And there's never any leftovers. It's the other thing I've noticed. So if you're in an Airbnb, you're fine with just the basics of the meat, the bread, the tzatziki. You want to add a little lettuce, a bag of lettuce, great. But at home, we can add some other things that we have. These pickled onions, which you can click right here and get the recipe, they're delicious on everything, and this is the perfect way to use them. These candied jalapenos, you can buy them at Trader Joe's, but I do make them as well. I need to do a video, and once I eventually do, you can click here and get to those candied jalapenos. We have all kinds of stuff. A little lemon juice. Boys, that's okay. We'll wrap it up. We're all hungry, ready to eat. So thank you for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking risks in the kitchen. We'll see you again next time. Bye. I love easy night. Thanks for cooking. Ba-doom, 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 ba-doom.